Canibuild has certainly streamlined our early stage review process as we can now assess a site within minutes, giving us a lot more confidence in the information we're presenting to our clients. It's become a real key tool in our pre-construction workflow. My name is Gregory Collins, and my role is to work closely with our team providing estimating and system support to ensure projects move smoothly from concept to construction. Wattle Court, we specialise in building residential homes for our families. Our tight-knit team of local luxury builders is like a family business, so you get the benefit of a personal approach with the expertise of a national industry leading builder. Before using Canibuild, site feasibility can be one of the most time-consuming parts of our process. So we relied heavily on our external consultants to interpret zoning and overlays and planning controls, and this can certainly result in time delays. Certainly being able to respond to inquiries faster and filter out unviable designs or site options earlier. So that efficiency has certainly improved our overall workflow. For efficiency and accuracy, really, are everything to builders. So for builders who aren't using tools like Canibuild and spending more time and money on early stage assessments than they need to, Canibuild is certainly the answer. And you're missing out on efficiencies, better client engagement, and the ability to make smarter data-driven decisions from day one in the process.